Hello everyone, Coach Carole here. I'm trying again with StreamYard to bring you another tip for how to organise your genealogy research. Hello everyone, Coach Carole here. Today's tip is all about using specific tools for your research and how to organise your genealogy research smartly to save your sanity, and hopefully these tips will help you as they've helped me. What I'm sharing with you at the moment is my research planner, in which you can see that we're up to step 3, list what you know. This is one of the best tips for researching. Start with what you know. Now, this is part of my planner, as you can see here, which is part of the course that I've built on how to organise your genealogy research. So the tips that I'm providing for you in this series focus on each of these steps. The family group sheet that I'm referring to looks like this. This is an example that I've been working on for a family group in my ancestry, for my great-great-grandparents, Benjamin Wright and his wife, Lydia Rule. Individual pieces of information about their parents for both partners, the marriage, and you can put in the location. So they were born in Halstead, Essex, UK. I'm using a PDF fillable form, which allows me to do that, to type directly into it. And in this form, there's a space at the bottom for children of this union. And as I was beginning to do the research, it was a focus on my great-grandfather, Alfred Thomas. So I knew he was one of the children of this union. So when I went on to do further research, using this sheet to guide me, I then was able to find more details for this family group. For example, it was St. Andrew, Halstead, for the marriage, and their children numbered 6. Alfred Thomas was number 5 of those. So a nice, easy way to record just simple pieces of information that you can then print, share, or post into your Evernote, as one of my previous tips was suggesting. And there you have a nice, easy start to being organised. It's from here you can begin to ask the question for yourself. In my case, I wanted to find out who were the other children of this union, and I was able to find them and put them in here. I'm going to stop sharing on that one. I hope that that tip is helpful to you as it's been to me. Now, I've been a genealogist, keen genealogist for several years, but I've not used those family group sheets to any great extent. Now I am. So my tip for you is try them out. If you want to find where they are, if you put in a search string into Google, you'll find many, many different places where you can find them. For example, I'll just share my screen again. And show you this website, which is where I've been searching for those forms. So you can get them from Family Search, from NGS Genealogy, and many other places. And with that simple search, I was able to see the variations of the different types of family group sheets, fillable, that I could obtain. I hope that has been helpful to you, and I will be back later with more. I have a string of tips to give you, and I'm looking forward to using StreamYard to send those directly to you, and I'll be back with another one later.